Welcome. In the previous class, we had seen about the topics which pertain to physical geography, human and India geography. In this section, we would understand one of the most important topics, very scoring topic, but yes, it's a conceptual topic. So we would focus on geographical tools and techniques, some of the major questions that can be asked from this section. So if you go on to the index for this book, you would understand that we have covered it in a very systematic classified format where we have started with cartography, then we have focused on GIS, aerial photography, and finally remote sensing. So to begin with, under cartography, what are the most important topics? The most important topic here is maps. Now maps, you have to understand the type and the classification of the map. You also need to understand RF. What is a large scale map, small scale map? If a RF is given, how do you translate it? So those questions become important from this section. Then questions pertaining to hypsometry, projections, the various types of projections. So in the book, we have covered a comprehensive list of projections. Obviously, the steps of doing the projection are not asked in your UGC NET examination, but overview and a perspective of the various projections, which projections are used for which specific areas are important and can be a direct question. So if you go through and have a visual idea about each of those projections, you would get a comprehensive understanding about this topic, right? The next topic here we understand is remote sensing. Now remote sensing is a conceptual topic and a very scoring topic. Understanding the basic physics behind it is important. So what is remote sensing, the stages and the types? Electromagnetic spectrum, what is spectral reflectance, what is albedo? So concepts which pertain to the basics of remote sensing, the terms and technologies are covered here. Then platforms and sensors. Under sensors, the various types of sensors, extremely important topic for your remote sensing. Scanning of the remote sensing information is important, the satellites and how the data is transmitted. Under air photo interpretation, the most important topic is the types of air photo. How do you identify, how do you take, and what are the distortions and displacements when you take the aerial photographs. So aerial photographs, again an important topic. A lot of questions are asked from this section. And then finally coming on to GIS, the basics of GIS, the various softwares, the open source softwares under GIS are some of the questions which have been asked last year. And then the questions pertaining to the representation of the geographical data under GIS. So various ways under which the data can be represented. And finally, the most important and the obvious section is statistics. Now statistics, you have to understand the various basic concepts related to statistics. Obviously the central tendency, mean, mode, median. Then we focus on the t-test, f-test. Some of the specific topics pertaining exclusively to geography is nearest neighbor analysis. Topics which talk about cluster analysis, network analysis become really important. And then measuring the spatial patterns of distribution, Gini's coefficient, Lorentz curve under measurement of concentration and inequality relating to economic aspects. So those are some of the important things that you must understand. But yes, if you find difficulty understanding the topics here, specifically for statistics and cartography, the lectures would be very beneficial, and the same goes for the topics which pertain to the basics and the fundamentals of remote sensing and aerial photography, because the 3D visualizations actually help you understand the topic in a much simpler and concise way. So those are some of the things that you must take into account. Wish you all the best for your preparation for your NET examination. In case you have any questions or queries, click on the above link and connect with us for more information. Thank you.